In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a virtual desktop, which is like an operating system within your operating system that protects you from hackers. You can browse the internet, you can install programs, all without having to worry about a hacker or a virus infecting your system. So the one I'm using is called Comodo Internet Securities. If you don't have it, on your browser, search for Comodo Internet Security 2020, and it should be the first link. Make sure it's comodo.com and go ahead and click on it. So this Comodo Internet Security, it's an awesome program that gives you a firewall, it gives you anti-virus protection, and it gives you that virtual desktop that I was talking about. So go ahead and click on home right here, and then click Comodo Internet Security, and download the one that says download free CIS, and go ahead and install it in your computer. I already have it installed, so just go ahead and install it. Once you install it, this is how the program looks. From here, you're going to go to tasks, containment tasks, and then click on run virtual desktop. So the virtual desktop is loading. So this is how it looks when you first come into the virtual desktop. You'll have your virtual desktop icons here. If you click on this arrow right here, it'll take you to the Windows desktop icons that you have on your Windows operating system. If you come over here where the C is, you click on it, you'll have your browsers here. You have settings where you can switch it to tablet mode, which is the one you saw, or classic mode, which is more like the Windows operating system. I'm going to keep the tablet mode. So from here, you can search the internet. I usually use Komodo Dragon to search the internet because it tells you right here that it's not going to save your browsing history, cookies, or any other information that you enter on any forms. You can download any programs, install them here. They will not affect your operating system. They'll be installed, but they'll be installed right here in this virtual desktop. Once you close it, everything goes away. You can browse the internet without fearing that you're going to go into a hacker site and get a virus. So I would recommend that you just get a feel for it and try everything that is here, because this is an awesome app to keep your computer safe. I hope this video has been helpful for you. I want to thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.